In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage non-printing characters in your documents for a streamlined editing experience. If you're accustomed to working on documents, whether it's in Microsoft Word or similar applications, you've likely encountered the little symbols that pop up, such as paragraph marks and spaces. While these are non-printing characters designed to help you in the editing process by revealing hidden formatting, they can sometimes clutter your view when checking the layout. So, let's take a closer look at how to effectively show and hide these characters. First, let's dive into the functionality of the Home tab on the ribbon, which is central to most formatting tasks. On this tab, you'll find a variety of tools, and one of the most useful for formatting is the Show Hide button, which is represented by a P symbol in the paragraph group. By clicking on this button, you can toggle the display of non-printing characters on and off. These characters include spaces, tabs, and paragraph marks, all of which might not appear overly important at first glance, but they play a critical role in aligning your text correctly or ensuring consistent formatting. Now, if you're working on a Windows PC and prefer keyboard shortcuts for quick access, there's a handy combination you can use. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus 8 to toggle these non-printing characters on and off. In some applications, this shortcut might be represented as Ctrl plus in the documentation, but rest assured, pressing Ctrl, Shift, and 8 together will do the job. It's important to remember that these marks are entirely non-printing. What does this mean for you? Essentially, while they might clutter your screen when you're knee-deep in editing, they won't make an appearance in the final printout or PDF version of your document. This feature is great for ensuring that you can refine your document's layout with precision without worrying about these symbols showing up in the end product. Once you've completed your editing tasks, you might find that the presence of these characters becomes more of a distraction than a help. In such cases, simply toggle them off using either the toolbar button or the keyboard shortcut, returning you to a clean view of your document. This clean view is perfect for doing a final review before sending out your document to others or printing it. By mastering these simple steps and understanding when and how to use these tools, you'll enhance your editing process significantly. You'll not only be able to ensure your document is formatted just the way you like it, but you'll also be able to do it swiftly and efficiently. Happy editing! And feel free to toggle those non-printing characters whenever you need to.